I wanna show you how to make motion blur effect to text in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, select your text tool and write text. Going by the essential graphics, you can modify the text, size and so on. Next, go to Effects and write Transform. Add the transform effect to your text. Then, go to the Effects control and click on the position. The stopwatch icon will appear. Adjust your X position till the moment that the text will disappear. Move your timeline slider 10-15 frames ahead. Then adjust the X position till the moment that your text will appear. Go to the effects again and write blur. Here you have to find directional blur. Just drag the directional blur effect to your text. Come back to the effects control, click on the blur length, the stopwatch icon will appear, and by the direction, change the value to 90 degrees. Move your timeline slider to the beginning, and by the blur length, change the value to 100. The last step is, select your all stopwatch icons, right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation, easy in. Again, right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation, easy out. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.